What's up, man? Welcome to Ortiz Garage again. I'm changing a rear shocks for 2005 SCION XA. So I have two shocks. I already replaced the other side, the driver's side. So now I'm just gonna show you how to replace the passenger side. It's easy, very straightforward. Couple of tools you need, mostly 14, 17s. If you have ratcheting 14 and breaker bar on the bottom for the holder, the bottom one that connected to the trailer beam. So you're gonna see which one is the new one. This is the new one, and then these are the part number. I get it from the Rock Auto, so FCS 34 16 23. They're all the same with the driver's side, left side and right side, all the same part number. So here I'm gonna show you the quick way. Let's go. Now the tools that you need is just very straightforward. You got 3/8 ratchets. I get the regular size, the long one, flat screwdriver, crescent wrench or like the adjustable wrench. Combination box of the mountain is 14 to hold the lock nut, and then you get the combination wrench right here. Got 14 and 17 on the bottom. So first you have to pry the cover. Pry that one. This is the top is lock nut, and then this is the lock, the nut for the bottom too. So that's all it has. So first you have to hold 14. Okay, 14 on the bottom, lefty loosely. Okay, okay, that's it. So first one, you get the next one. So over here you have to hold this one. If you see this point right here, or the slot, this one right here, that's where you hold the struts. Because if you do that, sometimes this won't move. So let's see. Okay, doesn't move. That's good. That's all you need. You just have to take it off. Take this one, the washer, the mount right here, and then on the bottom is 17. You need the jack to support the rear axle. Oh no, sorry, the rear beam trailer. So to hold the pressure. Once you lose this one, that's all you need. That's it. See how so you have the nut 17 and you have the washer, and that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. So you just very straightforward. That's it. And then the only thing you need from here, don't forget this one, the upper rubber mount, and this one right here. That's all you need. And you see how this is already worn out. When you press, there's no pressure and it's not going up. See that? It's not going up. It's not going. So this is already worn out. All the fluids is already leaked out. And then I'll show you the new one. Compare the new one. So here's the new one. So I'm gonna show you when you compress this one. It should come up right away. See that? That means it's good. It's going up pretty quick. that. Then compare from the old one. It's not going up. So you have to press it up and there's no pressure. So this is really worn out. And then if you have all the tools, probably cost you around 50 minutes to 30 minutes, that's it. So because you have like one bolt or one nut from here, the washer, the top is like one nut, and then the jump nut. That's all you need. Then don't forget this one. Nice boot. Then the mount. Hi, how are you?
Good. You put your face on the YouTube, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying so I can get more views.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so from here I'm just gonna loosen the jack a little bit so you got more space. That's all you need. And then you can pump the jack up. From here, at least center the rod, put up your mount, put up the washer, and then put in the nut. Don't loosen it yet because I'm gonna put the bottom part. So here on the bottom, put your washer and then the nut. Okay, so if you have the electric gun, it's much faster. So this one, both sides, cost me about like 30 to 40 minutes because it's very straightforward. Okay, that's it, and then torque it from 36 to 40 foot mount later on. So now I'm gonna put my mount in first. Adjustable wrench. Now the last part is the jump nut. that's pretty much it. And then you have to on the bottom, torque it. You have to torque it from the bottom. Or I'm setting up for 38. I find online is 36, but just to make sure, I'm going to torque it for 38. See, it clicked. It's good. I'm going to tighten it a little bit more just in case. Just for extra security. Okay, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that's it. It's pretty straightforward and it's easy. So the tools you need, flat screw, 3/8 ratchet, 14 millimeter socket, 70 millimeter socket. You need a torque wrench just to make sure, or if you have a pry bar, tight it. So just tight the bottom nut. Don't forget, just like 2 nut on the top, 1 nut on the bottom washer, and then don't forget all your mount rubber and then the cover. That's it, pretty much it. And then I'll put the link on the parts on the description on the bottom. Thank you guys for like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.